In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Typeform in Canva. Connecting with your audience or gathering important information has never been easier thanks to tools like Typeform. But what if I told you that you could amplify this experience by integrating your Typeform directly into your Canva designs? Yes, you heard it right. Whether it's for surveys, event registrations, or any form of data collection. Combining the power of Typeform's flexibility with Canva's design capabilities will transform the way you engage with people. Let's dive into the process, and I assure you, it's simpler than you might think. First things first, you need to navigate to Typeform. Typeform is an incredible tool that provides an easy way to build and share beautifully designed forms. Whether you're gathering feedback, conducting a survey, or even setting up a quick poll, Typeform helps you do it in style. Once you're on the Typeform website, the next step is to log in. Click on the login button. If you've already got an account, this should be straightforward. If you generally use Google services, then opting to continue with Google offers a seamless sign-in experience that pulls in your credentials automatically. This is where a tiny bit of patience comes in handy, as you might wait a couple of minutes depending on your internet speed or the site's server load. After signing in, navigate to the specific form you intend to use in Canva. If you have multiple forms, make sure to select the correct one. This step is crucial because this is the form that will be embedded into your Canva design. Found your form? Great. The next action is to click on Copy Link. This link is essentially the bridge that connects your Typeform with your Canva designs. Now, let's switch gears and head over to Canva. Upon arriving at Canva's homepage, look for the option that says Create a Form. This opens up a world where design meets functionality. Canva provides a plethora of templates, so you can easily choose one that aligns with your brand or event theme. Spend some time designing your form. This could be as simple as adding your logo, choosing your brand colors, or even arranging the elements to make it visually appealing. Remember, this is your chance to make an impression, so unleash your creativity. Once you're happy with the design, let's proceed to embed your Typeform. Look for the plus icon, which essentially is your gateway to adding new elements to your Canva design. Canva is designed to be intuitive, so finding your way around should be pretty straightforward. Inside the Elements panel, type in Embed. This is a little trick that allows you to insert external content right into your layout. Clicking on Embed brings up a field where you can paste the Typeform link you copied earlier. Go ahead and paste the link. With the link in place, hitting Enter magically incorporates your Typeform directly into the Canva design. It's almost like performing a little digital magic trick. Isn't it amazing to see your form come alive within a design context that complements it? By following these simple steps, you've not only created a form, but have also presented it in an engaging, visually appealing way that's bound to capture the attention of your intended audience. This method adds an extra layer of interaction within your designs, making it not just about the aesthetics, but also about functionality and user experience. In conclusion, by integrating Typeform into your Canva designs, you're essentially breaking the mold of traditional forms. You're not just collecting information, you're doing it in a way that's both effective and pleasing to the eye. Whether it's for a professional project, an event, or just for fun, leveraging the power of both Typeform and Canva can elevate your digital presence to new heights. Remember, the key to a successful form or survey is not just the questions you ask, but also how you present them. This unique combination of Typeform and Canva ensures that your audience is engaged from the moment they lay eyes on your form. So go ahead, give it a try, and watch as the responses start rolling in. That wraps up our tutorial for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tutorials to make the most out of today's digital tools. See you in the next video.